I'm Nita, and I invented the better. Making your bed is an awful chore. Sheets don't fit, and mattresses are too heavy. You should be able to go to the store and buy any sheet from any store and come home and they should fit. You should be able to make the bed by yourself, but you can't because the mattress is too heavy. We understand your frustration, and that's why we invented the better. First, measure your mattress. Second, order the correct size better. Third, follow the simple instructions and put your better on. Fourth, put your sheets on without lifting your mattress. It's that easy. And fifth, go out there and enjoy the day. You deserve it.